Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will learn how to extract common values from two or more columns. And here I have two columns of color names where some colors are unique and some colors are duplicates in both the columns. And here I want to find out the colors out of this column which are present in my second column also. So for this we can use filter function like equal to filter, and this is my array, my column number 1, because here I want to find out the colors which are present in column number 2 also. Now in include argument I will use COUNTIF function. So my range, so this is my range, so my second column is my range and my criteria is my column number 1. Close the bracket and press enter. These are the colors which are common in both the columns. Now second way of doing this is with the help of conditional formatting. Select both the columns and then go to conditional formatting, and from here you can use highlight cell rules, duplicate values, and now select duplicate from here and press OK. So here all those cells which are highlighted in your data are present in both the columns. Red is present in both the columns, white is also present in both the columns. So all the highlighted cells are only those colors which are present in both the columns. And now if you want to find out the unique colors which are present in both the columns, then also select both your columns, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values, and from here you can select unique and press OK. So here all the highlighted colors are unique in your data, and all the color names which are not highlighted are common in both of your columns. Now the next way of extracting common values is with the help of VLOOKUP function. So my lookup value is C5 cell, which is red color, and my table array is my second column because I want to find out the red color from my second column. That is, I want to find out if red color is also present in second column or not. Now freeze the table array with the help of F4 key. Now next is column index. So I will type 1 because there is only one column in my color data. I will choose false or 0 for exact match, and now press enter. So here I got red as my answer because red is present in my second column also. And now if I drag it, so all the color names which are present in both the columns are written here, and for all those colors which are not present in column number 2 I got a error, that is NA. Like yellow is not present in column number 2, white is present in both the columns. And if you don't want this NA error, so for this you can use if error function with VLOOKUP function. This is your value. Now my next criteria is value if error. So if there is error in that cell, then I want not matched as my answer, and close the brackets. So for all those colors which are not present in column number 2 according to my column number 1 or list 1, so here I got not matched as my answer. Hope you will like this video, and thank you for watching.